welcome back to my channel. Just a super quick video for today. It is Sunday morning right before time to go to church, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I've done. The January journal prompts are now available in my Etsy store. I will link those below, and so I'm going to use those today. I'm also using the freebie that was provided by Scrapbooking with Me. You can go over, you have to be a subscriber of their YouTube, and you go over to their blog and you can download these pages. Now I have printed them two per page. I have the capability of doing whatever I want with them because I created them, but I wanted to use the same thing that's available to you guys, so that's why I've done it like this. So I have printed it two to a page, and I've done the weeks, and I've done that one and the backing paper, so I've used that. And then I created me a January journal. This is the Winter Blues paper collection, and I created this. I have a tutorial on how to create these little laminated travel notebook inspired journals, and so that's what I've done. I've done that with my Winter Blues collection, and I will link that below. So the first thing I've done is I have printed out my journal prompts, and I've already cut out number 1 and 2, and I am just looking to see how I want to do my January calendar, because I could have shrunk this down a little bit more, and I probably should have, because I had to go a little smaller than I expected on my my actual journal, but that's perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do, I am actually going to cut out around the calendar. And I'm just showing you, this is just some different things that you can do. You know, if you have the same things, which you all have, like this is the freebie, so you definitely have access to this. And then, like I said, the journal prompts are available in my Etsy. And I will link that, make sure I leave that link below. And you know, you don't have to have these journal prompts. You can write them down and journal just like that without purchasing them. And if you know, if you don't want to, or if you don't have the money to purchase them, that's perfectly fine. Just write them down and journal along with us anyway. Okay, so what I've done is I've cut out my little January calendar. And I am going to glue that right down there. And now you can, whenever you go to print out that free printable from Scrapbooking with Me, you can tell it to print 2 to a page, 4 to a page. You know, you can do different stuff like that so that, you know, you may not have to do this. And like I said, I could have done anything like that with this, but I wanted to print it and do it with what you guys have available to you. And so that's why I'm doing it just like this. And I apologize for things being a little rushed, but like I said, I'm about to be heading off to church in just a matter of minutes. And so, but I wanted to get this done and up for you guys so you guys can see. And so I'm just putting my days of the week down. And then, I don't know if I have room for January up there or not. Let's see, we'll go ahead and cut it out. And I'm going to kind of, not really fussy cut it, but you know, a little kind of fussy cut. Kind of, sort of, not really. That's what my kids used to say. Kind of, sort of, well, not really. I'm like, okay. And I'll just kind of cut the J a little bit, but I'm okay with that. And you can ink this up if you wanted to. You could ink it, you know, with the blue. You could ink it with a vintage photo. Yep, it will just fit. And so we're going to put that down there. We'll get it right there. Okay, so see, now we have our January calendar in there. Even though my notebook is smaller, we were still able to get it in there. Now, I could, I'm not going to put these in there yet because the 1st and the 2nd fell on a Saturday and Sunday. So, let me see. I'm going to put number 1. And this number 1 was 2022 goals. Okay, and I'm only going to do that one on the 1 page because I should have a lot of goals for 2022. We shall see. And then I am going to pop on my New Year's traditions right here. Okay. So I'm going to set that to the side, set that to the side. Now I can use this as like collage paper or whatever because I can go through and I can really decorate this journal up quite a bit. And I am going to get my journal word and I'm going to cut it out because the first section here is my journal. And so I'm going to cut out 2022 and January as well. And I'm just going to put this on my front cover. And like I said, I could ink this up. I could put some backing stuff on it, but unfortunately, time is not going to let me do that this morning and do the video. So we're just going for it just like this. And then here's my journal word. Okay, so there we go. Get the pen back in there. So now I have my January 2022. I have my journal where I will be putting my journal prompts and writing in there. And then my second signature, I made it out of graph paper. Then I have my third signature. And then my fourth one is also graph paper. So, sorry that it was so quick, you guys, but, you know, gotta run. But I wanted to go ahead and get this up for you guys to see. And maybe get you some links to how to get the same stuff, so that you guys can start journaling as well. And again, I will leave links below to how you can get your free copy of the January calendar. And I will also leave a link to the journal prompts as well as the Winter Blues paper collection. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I hope you all have a wonderful January 2nd. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.